Hello everyone, Peter is here again. Today's topic is build a whole membership website. If you want to sell information products online and earn passive income, one of the best ways to achieve this is through a membership website. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the steps on how to create a membership funnel in Builderall. Let's get started. If you are just started out, creating information products is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Once you created a product, you can earn passive income by selling it over and over again. By creating a membership funnel, you can have a passive income stream that delivers you content automatically. It can also be a great way to stay in touch with your customer base, as well as to build authority in your market. You can also have a forum or private Facebook group for members only, and build your own social network that encourages members to share your content and resources. Best of all, these people are paying customers, so you can sell additional products to them both inside the members area and through email campaigns. Once they join as a member and see the quality you deliver, they will trust you enough to buy higher ticket products later. A membership site is typically based in a popular and evergreen niche, such as internet marketing, weight loss, self-improvement, or fitness. Each month, new content is added, which customers can access, as long as they continue to pay their membership fees. Setting up a membership site is a lot easier than you probably think. You just need to build a website, create a method for users to join and pay their monthly fee, and provide a way for members to access the content. When it comes to building a membership funnel, there are many different options to choose from. One of the easiest ways to create it is with Builderall. All you need is a basic sales ladder convincing them to join, a thank you page, and a members area to access the content. With Builderall, you can set up as many different membership sites as you'd like. Let's see how the whole thing works through a real life example. I'm going to use Builderall Canvas Funnel Builder tool to create this membership funnel very quickly with a graphical user interface. Builderall is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that includes 30 plus tools under one roof. Builderall Canvas Funnel Builder is one of them. It allows you to create and design complete sales funnels based on your blueprints, along with checkouts, email sequences, CRM, and other features. So not only can you design your funnels, but also create the whole. It just takes a few clicks and no technical knowledge is needed. Once you created your sales funnel on a visual interface, all the pages will be instantly generated for you with a simple click. Let's jump right in. Okay, now I choose the Canvas Funnel Builder tool and enter it. Then add funnel, give a title and description. Let's make it membership. Okay. Then a category needs to be chosen. When I choose all types of funnels will be displayed. Here I can decide whether I want to build a sales funnel from scratch or from a template. Most of the templates are ready-made, so you don't need to do much with them. I'm going to choose membership funnel now. The next step is to choose a theme. When you choose a theme, the same consistent design will be used across all your pages. I select Agency Theme. And here is the membership blueprint that I can customize to my needs. By clicking here, I can add more pages, landing page, OTO page, webinar, or any other. But this membership blueprint is already done. This is how it will work. Once people buy my product on the sales page, they will be sent to the thank you page. And from the thank you page, they will be able to access the membership area. Okay, now I save my work and generate the whole funnel. Once done, I can continue editing the pages in the Pixel Perfect Builder. Let me give you another solution for building a membership funnel quickly. First, we go to the Pixel Perfect Builder. A new website. I choose Sales Funnel category and Membership Funnel. Let's open this in the editor. Okay, and here are all the pages your visitors need to go to. Video sales page, membership, home, module 1. You can customize here everything. Change the headline, add video, add new elements, and so on. Once people buy my course on this page, they get to the membership access page. And from here, they will be able to reach the lessons. And if that is not enough for you, you can add any type of pages to your layout and customize them. Did you know Builderall has also WordPress? And you can have unlimited WordPress instances. If you like, you can use WordPress on Builderall instead of the Pixel Perfect Builder. So now, the possibilities are endless. If you like this solution with Builderall and want to try out Builderall for free, click my link below. You get premium digital marketing training and a bunch of bonuses from me when you join through my link. Regular one-on-one support to help you succeed with anything marketing or tech related. A growing number of tools such as graphic design tools, covers, templates, best premium WordPress themes and plugins. Done for you emails, guides, books, and articles that you can customize and publish. Affiliate Action Plan Handbook, which is a complete step-by-step digital marketing plan to boost your affiliate revenue. If you try out Builderall, you will have 7 days to test all the tools and features for free. If you find this video useful, make sure to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I see you next time.